Oh hey, Jeremy here from Long Speed Marine. So today's going to be an update on the Skylark and where we're going with it, what we've got to do, and what's going to be happening, what you're going to see on the channel here with it. So first thing is, I'm trying to get this car to the Gravenhurst car show June 17th. At the time of me putting this out, it's May 28th. So I don't have a lot of time, and I have a lot of stuff to get done on this car still. So the next thing big thing that I'm going to tackle is getting the interior buttoned up. I've got to weld in the seat brackets, get the floor seam sealed, sound deadener in, so that I can put the carpet down, put the seats back in, and then also paint up the door jambs because they need to be painted. So I'm going to paint up the rest of these door jambs. I'm just going to paint them black. I'll clean them and then paint them just to make it a little bit nicer. I started doing that on the front here just to make that a little bit nicer. I don't know if I'm going to paint the dash pad black, but I probably will. So that's what I've got to get done there. Get the interior back in, pull the tint off. So I just went through and updated my list. So over here is my list of what needs to get done on this car. So ignition switch, tranny lines, fan shroud, interior paint and seat covers, brakes. They're half done, but I do need to do the brake lines. I'm waiting for a brake line tool to come in that DD Speed Shop recommended because I hate doing brake lines. So I ordered a brake line tool he recommended. Paint, that's not going to happen. Tint off the back window, yes. Lights, I need to make sure all the lights are working. I need to clean up the back light buckets. Wipers, meh. Trunk pan, not gonna happen. Seam seal floors, paint floors, yes. Sound deadener, yes. Hood on, yes. Parts that I still need, mirrors. I gotta talk to my buddy about that, see if I can get I just need one mirror, the driver's mirror. Front bumper lights, I don't know why I had that written on there. Maybe I didn't like the ones that were in there, but that's probably not gonna happen. I'll see maybe if he has some. Sun visors, I don't know if I have sun visors. I'll have to look. Trunk seal, yes, I keep forgetting about that. I thought that I had one, but I don't, so I have to get a trunk seal for the car. So that's the list that needs to get done on the car. And so here's those rear taillight buckets that are gonna need a lot of work to try and get the old lights out because they're all seized in. So I got to try and get in there with some pliers, and I'm going to soak them down now actually with some penetrating fluid to get those out, clean those up, and get going on those. So for you guys on the channel, what may happen is I'm going to be thrashing on this car, and I may not hit record every single time because that's a lot of pressure on me to do these videos, to make sure I'm explaining what I'm doing. So I may hit record, but there may just be a lot of fast forwarding or just you watching what I'm doing because it takes a lot of time and energy to make these videos, and I really love doing it, but I really, really want to get this car done. So to take a little bit of pressure off of me, I may just go ahead and try to thrash to get a bunch of stuff done. So I'm going to try and film doing those seat covers to show them how I do them. So I'm hopefully going to be able to get that done and show you those. I have to paint the actual backs of the seat covers as well. So we'll see what happens there, and hopefully you guys stick along for this, and I'm hoping I will see some of you at that car show, some local folks, because that'd be really cool. So thanks for subscribing. Thanks for following along. Please make sure if you haven't subscribed, you do. We're getting there, and I really hope that this channel grows. It'll be really, really cool. So thanks for following along on that. Leave a comment, hit the like, all that great stuff. Thanks very much, and take care.